last 3 to 4 years I was struggling like anything. When I started my career in IT, I went to Hyderabad, from Odisha, Bhubaneswar to Hyderabad. That time so we started the career, and many things it came in front to us, like new lifestyle, new foods like biryani and all in Hyderabad. So we just jumped in that, and finally we got this kind of disease for that lifestyle. And last 3 years after this vaccination for COVID-19, my sugar level, it was not coming down to 200. So it was all the time 250, 280 like that. So when we started for first few days, so it came down drastically. It was like it came down to 150, and after then it was being the a limit like 120 to 135 and 140. So it was really good. And once when I left the medication, it was like I was in heaven, because for that medication many problem it was happening. So shivering and body pain, mentally means we are memory loss and all. It was like I cannot say those experience for last 3 years. But really when I joined here, and it was the lifestyle, it was very good. And now I'm not able to, means I'm not feeling good to see those means non-veg items and all those things. Now life is really good. But I did a mistake last few days before last Sunday. It was means one party was there, birthday party, and there I had just 2 rasgullas. I did that mistake, and suddenly the sugar level it spiked to 180 and 200. So I am trying to read on that. So I can promise that I will be there in this particular program and diet plan. So this lifestyle, it is really awesome. So thank you all the Wellcure team and Prasanthi ma'am and Asa ma'am.